Hey folks, just a quick video. I couldn't find much on the internet for the infamous error 11 message. Usually happens. Sometimes it can be when the filters are dirty, but let me just run it through a cycle here so you can see what's happening. You go to turn it on, you'll hear that it's going to try to ignite. If it ignites, this light will turn red. This particular model is the Rinnai Energy Saver ES38W, but very common fault from what I understand with many models. So it's trying to ignite, you can hear it. Nothing's happening, and we get the blinking error 11. I'm going to cut power to this, and hopefully we'll be able to fix that. Take off one on either side. Go ahead and pop those off. Again, make sure that you've cut the power. Then you just you have to disconnect this one spot here. A little spot right here to just connect in. Now, what we need to do is we're going to need to get into this part right here. So we'll take this little plastic cover off, and again, this might be a little different than yours, but you want to get into the igniter. Just lift that out. Disconnect here. And take two screws out. Just kind of lift this over that. Okay. So there's a little foil. We're gonna go ahead and move this out of the way. And we're gonna wanna take over here just a little bit so you can see that. I want to take all these screws out here. Be careful not to let those fall down. Want to do, we're going to want to gently take these out, and you're going to see the problem here. What's happened is you see all this carbon buildup on this. Just pull those off. See that? One. They're like little BBs, and that is the problem. All right, so then you're just going to go ahead and put this back in reverse. I'll get back to you when we put this back. All right. We'll go ahead and put this back in. Put these screws. As you can tell, I'm not a professional, but hopefully cleaning that carbon out of there. Some people I've read have recommended taking a non-abrasive kind of cleaner, like not an SOS, but kind of like a soft sponge, just to clean off those tips. But these were pretty apparent that this is the problem. I'll go turn the power on and we'll see if we got it fixed. Okay, power's back on. Let's see what we have here. We got the carbon that we took off, the igniter, and hopefully we saved ourselves a few $100s in a service call. And it looks like the igniter's come on. Everything is working as it should. So there you have it. A good way to, common way to fix an Error 11 on a Rinnai heater. And again, I'm not a professional. Make sure you consult a professional before tackling this, but we have nice heat coming out of there and we fix that error. Thanks for watching.